Oh my god. What did you spot there?
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
You want to clean the size?
Oh, it needs to be plugged in.
Okay, let's get it. Let's pick it.
Oh wow. This is nice. Wow.
This is broken.
Is it? Oh, probably that's why they left it here. So guys, GB's in a hotel
Put this in there.
in Turkey and he found,
Like, who made that dirty?
oh, who made this dirty? You know when you keep the room dirty, then they clean it?
This Hoover.
Yeah, with this hoover.
And who will keep this? This is the little button I'm using. The round wire here.
Yeah.
Who did this?
I don't know, darling.
It's not like this.
It's not like this. Oh, GB's upset.
I do my Dyson like this.
Yeah, you do like this. But this is not called Dyson, this is called Speedy.
Speedy.
Yes.
Speedy vacuum cleaner.
Speedy vacuum
Oh,
cleaner.
this is broken. Who not use this? Why this is not taken off?
Oh, the back bit is opening as well. Look, the filter is showing from the back. Oh my goodness. It's broken. That's why they left it here. It needs screws. If it was at home, Daddy would have fixed it for you.
Which one? Can't use it because who broke that?
GB, you want to go home or you want to stay here?
Stay here.
Stay here. GB's loving the holidays.
Let's run right here because someone do this.
Okay.
Guys, I'll show you more of it
Are you going to show us more hoovers?
and then have more of it. Guys, I want to show you more of it now.
Okay.
Guys, there are more of it. Over there. It's over there. Bye. I'm going now. Tomorrow I'll make mess and then I'll show you how to move it tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye! Tomorrow I'll show you how to move it.
Okay. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Bye. Who broke the Hoover?
Who broke the hoover? I don't know.
Who took the screw off?
I don't know.
The gun.
Mm-hmm.
It would ride a gun.